Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well out there. So I got a quick little video here for you. Yes, I am the ass man. It's a little lesson to be learned, and even an old salty son of a bitch like me needs to learn things from time to time. So it's a very good lesson learned on my part, and it's good teaching for you guys that are just starting out as a one-man band. Don't forget these things because they'll come bite you in the ass for sure. Hey guys, haven't done a video in a little while. Been trying to dig up some work, and the last couple months, my phone hasn't been ringing the way it normally does in November and early December so far. And I got this notification. It was actually from the company that runs my website, and they I don't know why it took them this long, and I should probably keep up on this stuff more. But what the notification said was that my Google address needed re-verification, and it's a pretty damn serious thing, and I didn't know. Been busy working, been out busy doing service calls, running my business, and I just did not notice that my business isn't showing up on searches. You do a Google search for my business, nothing was popping up. I was having businesses 50 miles away come up, and my business wasn't coming up. And yeah, it's my own fault. And I don't really rely on Google searches as my main way to get work, whether it be installation or service. But even my existing customers, they forget, and they need to find my phone number or something, and they use a Google search. If I don't pop up, maybe they're getting frustrated and they call somebody else. So hopefully I didn't lose any of my existing customers because of this nonsense. But as far as the Google verification services, I guess a certain amount of years pass, and they need you to re-verify that you actually exist, I guess. I don't know. I'm sure a couple clicks of the mouse they could find out that I do. They could check my contractor's license number. There's many ways that they could verify it. They could call me and verify it. Anything that they wanted to do. There's so many things as a one-man band HVAC contractor to remember. It's easy to forget that stuff. Little things like that. Well, it's not a little thing, but so what was I getting at with that? Oh, so what they ask for when it comes to this verification is basically they want you to send them like a 1 to 2 minute video showing, and I actually did do this a few months ago, and I figured I was good. They didn't tell me otherwise. But what they ask you to do is they want you to basically verify that you actually exist. They want to see, let's say your work truck, which I showed them in the previous video. Maybe a cross street street sign, and then your address number on your home, if you're a home-based business like me. And then they want to see you entering your business, kind of show your shop or whatever, which I did. I gave them like a 2.5 minute video with dialogue, letting them know, hey, I am real, this is me. So I hear back that they did that the video I sent them was no good. So I'm like, what the hell? So what they told me was, I actually called them, and what they told me is that I didn't actually show myself with a key physically entering a storefront of my business. And I'm like, well, hey, I'm a home-based business. I'm not gonna, you want me to show you opening my front door, my home? Is that gonna be good? And they're like, well, we just need to see that you have control of your property, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, you can check homeowner records. You can check all kinds of stuff to verify that this place actually exists and I actually own it. It's just ridiculous. I'm a home based business. What if I was a renter? You know what I mean? Like, what if I was renting a place, and am I supposed to kiss your ass? And so what I ended up doing was, not only did I show him a key opening into my shop, my garage here, I showed him a piece of mail, my bank statement showing, doing business as Seat and Heating, with my name on it, with the address of the business, and gosh, let's hopefully that's good enough for them. But it's almost criminal because I've paid Google lots of money for ads and stuff over the years. I don't do it anymore. But the Google listing is free. Other company, I am Google verified, so whatever that check thing is, and somehow all that just dropped off, and I wasn't able to be found anymore. So that makes sense why my phone hasn't been ringing the way it normally does. And I just hope it didn't cost me some customers, and I hope they move swiftly on this and get me back to where if somebody searches for an HVAC contractor in my town, that I'm gonna pop up. So I'm gonna be watching that in the next couple days, make sure they put me back on there. And I bet you, oddly enough, my phone's going to start ringing more. So just kind of a lesson for everybody. Keep up on this stuff. It's to my own detriment. I mean, luckily for me, I don't really need to be real busy right now around the holidays. I prefer to kind of relax this time of year anyway. But if this were to happen to me in the dead of summer or something, when I'm rocking and rolling, I would be pissed, really pissed. More so at myself. So anyway, just a lesson there, and we'll keep moving on. I got lots of stuff coming up. I just I hate scheduling stuff in December. Most people don't want you at their homes, but it is what it is. We'll keep plugging away, and 2026 is going to be an awesome year. I can feel it, and I hope it's well for everybody else out there. So thanks for watching.